What's up, Excelsior fellow Marvelers? And that was an awesome Max season finale of She-Hulk Attorney at Law. I mean, they took the fourth wall breaking thing and ran with it. And what a running they did. It was a good, spoiler alert, it was a good take on Kevin Feige as well. Because he's the creative director of Marvel Studios and he has been taking decisions which might not gel well with many of the Marvelers like you and me, but overall She-Hulk was a good finale. I won't say the entire season was awesomax, but most of the episodes were pretty good, and I guess that is what they kind of got this show to do, to portray a superheroine who has a very complicated, not a complicated, but a sort of topsy-turvy personal life as well, and that's what they were trying to show in that, right? So, okay, what I'm going to do is, I obviously write my reviews on StackMe, so I will leave that link in the description, and I will read it out to you so that you and I can share a discussion, can get the conversation going about Marvel Studios, about She-Hulk, about how Phase 4 is, shaping out, and how Phase 5 is going to, blow our minds. Alright, because Marvel has been doing an awesomax job, no doubt about that. And if you disagree, feel free to drop comments. If you agree, share your love for Marvel in the comments too. And smash that sub button, Hulk smash! Alright, oh, by the way, that reminds me that towards the end of the season finale, She-Hulk also says that sometimes she smashes Daredevil. That's a tongue twister. Alright, okay, so it's the final shout out. That's the tune of The Final Countdown by Europe. If you've never heard it, where were you in the 80s? Okay, so the season finale of She-Hulk Attorney at Law begins in the vein, pun intended, since her cousin Bruce Hulk Banner's veins popped in the car crash and his gamma blood made her into what she is, a heroine. Okay. So, the season finale begins in the vein of the Incredible Hulk's TV show. Lou Ferrigno used to play the Hulk, and I forget the actor's name who played Bruce Banner. But the recap previously on She-Hulk is shot in that grainy 80s TV style, 70s, 80s TV style. And it's nice. It's a scene for scene recreation, I mean, her, when she transforms, her blouse rips and, she gets all green with a very bad prosthetic, by today's standards, quite bad prosthetic makeup. Okay, after that scene by scene recreation, there is something of the Savage She-Hulk. That's the on-screen caption, not my opinion, but it's a nice pun on her being attacked by trolls. There's a website called Intelligentsia which is targeting her, and she obviously has a savage response, so that's why I guess they give her a Savage She-Hulk tagline. Okay, but her response to getting trolled in real life, IRL, lands her in trouble and lands her in the Supermax prison in the Department of Damage Control, the DODC. Okay, so she goes to the big house, which is jail, and then she goes to her parents' house, which is lame. But she does say, I am not running from my problems, it's a mental health break. Okay, so that tracks in today's environment. Okay, so very nice, amazeballs move by having her break out of her, TV thumbnail like we scroll through in our TVs. And then climb into Marvel Assembled, which is the behind the scenes documentary about everything that Marvel Studios is making these days. And then she goes into the writer's room where they have a bit of banter with her. And I'm not sure whether the writers were playing themselves, but I think who else would play the writers if not the writers themselves, right? I mean, they are the ones who wrote themselves into the script. And like I said, amazeballs move. Okay, so Kevin, the parody, the AI parody of Kevin Feige, stands for Knowledge Enhanced Visual Interconnectivity Nexus. What a spiral. Just today I was recording, not today, yesterday, I was recording my vlog about NASA DART, the DART mission which impacted an asteroid and moved it away from its orbit, just to practice in case some near-Earth objects pose a threat to us. And I was vlogging about DART, SpaceX, ISRO and Space Tech, and I mentioned my love for acronyms in it. So Kevin is another acronym that I love. Okay, so I was just about to sit in for a meeting, and final takes is that this season finale gave me a very strong South Park versus Family Guy cartoon wars episode vibes, and it's a Wall-E style AI pilot, and she asks a lot of questions that Marvelers would like to ask Kevin Feige, and save it for the movie. I smash fourth walls and bad endings, and Daredevil, like I said. Yup. Okay, so Daredevil does show up for the good ending with the whole family eating lunch, and Hulk's son, Sakaar from Sakaar without an A, lands up. So with that, boom, I'm gonna call this video to an end, and in the end tag, Benedict Wong sling rings Tim Abomination Roth out of his prison cell. There is talk of peak TV, but I think it's more like peak streaming. So alright, see you guys in the next video of mine, and like I said, smash that sub button. Alright, Hulk out.